Westermans here with a load just arriving, which are two Esprit CNC Plasmas. One which is fitted, which is, as you can see, the Hypertherm XPR 300 on a 1500 bed. The machine, as you can see, is an Esprit Lightning with a Hypertherm HPR XD 260 fitted, which is sitting on there. Bed length, I think, on this one is about 4 meters. These machines will be sold fully serviced or sold as is. They've just came in from site. Nice to see two machines. One has the Edge Pro control, and I believe the other one has the IT. Let's have a look. Yeah, the other one has the newer CNC control unit, the one with the 300 fitted. More details available on westermans.com if you'd like to have a look, or email me for further details. Thanking you for looking.